Hidden deep within the forests of New Zealand, under the quiet veil of night, lives one of the world's most extraordinary creatures. Meet the kakapo, the heaviest, rarest, and only nocturnal parrot on the planet. With its charming appearance and incredible story of survival, the kakapo is not just a bird, but a symbol of resilience and hope for wildlife conservation. The kakapo is unlike any other parrot. Unable to fly, it relies on its strong legs to climb trees and traverse the forest floor. Its soft, moss-green plumage provides the perfect camouflage, helping it blend seamlessly into its forest environment and evade predators. The kakapo is the world's heaviest parrot, weighing up to 4 kilograms. This unique adaptation allows it to survive longer without constant feeding, a valuable trait in its challenging habitat. Kakapos are herbivores, feeding on leaves, berries, and flowers. But their favorite delicacy is the ramu fruit, which only appears in New Zealand forests every few years. Despite its resilience, the kakapo's survival has been threatened by numerous challenges. Unable to fly and active mostly at night, the kakapo became an easy target for introduced predators like stoats, cats, and rats. The destruction of its natural habitat further pushed the kakapo to the brink of extinction. By the late 20th century, fewer than 50 individuals remained in the wild. Fortunately, dedicated conservation efforts have turned the tide. Scientists relocated kakapos to predator-free islands, ensuring a safe environment for them to breed and thrive. Today, every kakapo is monitored closely, allowing researchers to track their behavior, health, and habitat needs with incredible precision. The kakapo is more than just a parrot. It's a living symbol of resilience, hope, and the delicate balance of our natural world. But its future depends on us. Support conservation programs, raise awareness, and share the kakapo's story. Together, we can ensure this incredible bird continues to thrive for generations to come.